Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our automatic cleaning machine. Okay, so as you can see, it boasts a 650 milliliter water tank. It has 1 to 5 minutes time setting, a waterproof circuit board and display screen, a sensitive touch screen, and transparent viewing window. So over here we have the baskets. In the first basket over here, you can place your jewelry, your glasses, tableware, or even your dentistry items. And then over here we have a curved basket which you can use to clean your watches. So we're just gonna plug it in and then show you how to use it. It comes with a 2-pin plug. And then coming back, you can see the LCD screen, which you can just turn on and then it will start working. You can also set the time by pressing on these buttons over here, so you can increase or decrease depending on how long you want your items to be cleaned for. Okay, so it has a max line over here, so make sure that your water doesn't overflow that line. And then we're going to place in the basket, just like that. And then we're going to take our pair of glasses, place it into the water, make sure that it is submerged. Close the lid, and then I'm just gonna turn on the device. So we're opening it up, and then you can clearly see that it has been cleaned, and you can just wait a few minutes and then take it out. Okay, so after taking your product out of the basket, just leave it on a flat surface to dry for a few minutes. Okay guys, so that is how to use an automatic cleaning machine for glasses and jewelry.